How to reset the password of Santander Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset your Santander Bank password. So make sure to watch the video till the end. And now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your browser and search for Santander Bank. And here, once you are in the result page, just click on the first link and you will be prompted to the home page of the Santander Bank website. Now here, once you see the interface like this, just go to the top right corner and just click on login button. And here, once you click on that, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, if you don't have an account, you can just click on the link to create a new one. But if you have forgotten your password, you can just click on forget password. And here you will see options to recover your user ID too. So here you can just click on that if you have forgotten that. And here with that, to reset your password, you'll need to provide your user ID and your social security number. So here, if you don't have an social security number, no worries. You can just click on alternate option and you can use your date of birth instead. And once you fill in the required information, just click continue. And after that, Santander will receive a verification code to the email and phone number linked to your account. So here on the next tab, you just have to enter your code to verify your identity. And once verified, you will be able to create a new password. So here, no need to remember your old one. Just make sure that your new password is strong and secure. And that's it. That's how you can reset the password on the Santander Bank. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.